What do you want to do for dinner?
I think I want tacos. Did you notice that I didn't answer right away? I needed a little time to process and think. When we hear someone speak, our brain starts to work to understand the words and make sense of them. For many of us, that happens very quickly, but for some individuals, more time is needed. Your child may need time to process what you say. After you point to a picture, say your sentence aloud, pause. Give them time to think. A good rule of thumb is to wait at least 5 seconds before you say anything else. In. We finished putting the blocks in. Oof, I think I want to eat now. I wonder what you want to do. In? You want to put them in? All right, we got to dump them out. She needed a few seconds, but the child did respond given time. Some individuals may need even longer. If you've been providing your child with exposure and they aren't yet touching pictures, try waiting 10 to 15 seconds instead. You might be surprised what a little extra time can do.